Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure the iPad has an active cellular plan and enough data. Carriers sometimes block tethering, so verify allowance now. Once done, open Settings and go to Cellular or Personal Hotspot. This is where you enable sharing. Create a clear, strong Wi-Fi password and note the network name. This prevents accidental access and keeps speeds consistent. Now leave the hotspot screen visible while you proceed. Those quick checks avoid interruptions later when devices attempt to join. Next, enable the personal hotspot toggle and pick a connection method: Wi-Fi for multiple devices, Bluetooth for lower power, or USB for a direct wired link. On the device you want online, find the iPad SSID, enter the password, and watch for the connected icon on the iPad. That confirms authorization. Make sure you monitor cellular signal and data use while devices are connected, because heavy streaming eats data fast. If speeds drop, switch methods or move to a stronger signal area for reliability. To finish, turn Personal Hotspot off when you no longer need it. This saves battery and prevents unwanted access, and you can forget the network on shared devices if necessary. If something goes wrong, toggle the hotspot in cellular settings, restart your iPad, and then try connecting again. If issues persist, reset network settings or test USB tethering to isolate the problem. Finally, make sure iOS is updated and check your carrier account. Sometimes tethering is blocked at the plan level, which only the carrier can fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.